Hi everyone! Welcome to Lipstick on a Rig. Today we're going to be making this incredibly simple faux fur pom-pom. And as a disclaimer, I am not a seamstress, so this is going to be a little bit crude, but I promise you if I can make this, then anyone can. And for this project, you're going to need some faux fur, some scrap fabric, scissors, a sewing needle, and some thread. And this scrap fabric can just be a cut strand of fabric or a ribbon or some macrame cord. And we're just going to use this to attach our pom-pom to our beanies or whatever project we're using. And we're going to begin by cutting our fabric. And to do this, I recommend turning your fabric over. And we're just going to slide our scissors between the interfacing and the actual fur. And for a medium-sized pom-pom, I recommend cutting a square that's about 7 inches by 7 inches, and this can just be a rough estimate. So you're just going to slide your scissors up between the fur and the interfacing and cut a straight line up. And now that you have your rough square, now we're just going to convert this into a rough circle. And you're going to save your scrap pieces for stuffing your pom-pom. And after you've cut your rough round circle, then it's time to thread your needle. And you want to double up your thread to about 24 inches in length, doubled up. And now working on the back side again of your fabric, we're just going to attach the scrap yarn or cord or whatever you're using. You're going to attach it to two sides of your circle like this. And I recommend sewing about an inch in from the edge of your fabric. And we're just going to hand sew this. And after you've inserted your needle and come back through, then you're just going to tie a little knot with your thread. And I'm just going to tie this a couple more times. And now we're just going to continue sewing our scrap fabric on. And now I'm going to tie this off to one of my previous little threads here, so right here. And we're going to cut our thread from our scrap fabric. And we're just going to repeat that on the other side with the other end of our fabric. And once you have your two sides secured, then we're going to start to weave around our edge. So we're going to start working from the back to the fur, and we're just going to secure this little edge the same way we were doing before. And once your end is secured, then you're just going to insert your crochet hook about an inch from where you just tied off. And you're going to weave your needle about every inch, going in and out. And make sure your strap is not included when you're sewing. And make sure you end pulling through on your back side. Then you're going to pull your strap out of your pom-pom like that. And make sure you set your needle to the side. And before we cinch this all the way up, we're going to stuff it. So I'm using my leftover scraps from my pom-pom and some crochet tails. You can use plastic bags, bubble wraps, whatever you have lying around that's lightweight will work. There's no need to buy special filling for these. And once you've stuffed your pom-pom, then pull on your thread to tighten the weave. And once you've pulled on your string and your hole is nice and cinched, then you're just going to sew into the opposite side of your hole to tighten up this gap and keep it there. So I recommend holding onto your thread and giving it a little pinch to hold it in place. And now we're just going to tie a few knots to hold that thread in place. And then we're going to cut our thread off. And if you're making a lot of these back to back, then I recommend placing your needle in the top of your thread so you don't lose it like this. So now we have this nice little loop here. So we're going to cut this in half. So if you were attaching this to a beanie, then you're going to want to insert your crochet hook somewhere near the top of the beanie and pull your scrap fabric through. And then you're going to insert your crochet hook somewhere on the other side of the top of your beanie and pull your other scrap fabric piece through. And now you're just going to tie your scrap fabric pieces together pretty tightly. And now you can see that your pom-pom is securely attached to the top, and you can't even see your scrap fabric if you try. And in the description, I will link to this beanie tutorial video. Please let me know in the comments below if you experienced any issues while you were making this, and I will do my best to help you out. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel, Lipstick on a Rig. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.